I don't have money for it. I am broke. There's always more month left at the end of the money. Common lines and common issue, isn't it? Let's be honest. Most people are stuck financially not because they lack opportunities, but because they have not mastered the skill of making money. Yes, I said skill. Money isn't some mysterious force controlled by luck or fate. It is a skill, just like learning to ride a bike or speak a new language. But here's the catch. Most of us have been taught the wrong things about money. We have been conditioned to believe that wealth is a matter of destiny, something reserved for the lucky few, when in reality, making money is a skill that can be learned, developed, and mastered by anyone willing to put in the effort. Drop a comment if you agree that money making is a skill we can all learn, just like riding a bike or speaking a new language. Think about it. We are rarely taught to see money as a skill in itself. Instead, we get comfortable with the idea that whatever paycheck or small profit we make is enough. That comfort becomes a trap. We start filling our free time after work with distractions, mindlessly scrolling on our phones, binge watching series, or focusing on things that don't move the needle in our financial lives. What we should have been taught is that every hour we spend not working toward financial abundance is a lost opportunity to develop skills that would bring us more wealth. What distractions are holding you back from working on your financial growth? Share them in the comments and let's identify them together. Imagine if instead of accepting our financial situation as fate, we approached every free moment as a chance to grow our income, learning new skills, improving our talents, and focusing on things that generate real value. You could become financially secure in a just few years rather than working your whole life hoping things will somehow improve. The truth is, there are some people who already know this. They understand what I'm talking about, but even they find themselves caught up in daily pressures, overwhelmed by the demands of life. And that's exactly what keeps them from focusing on what really matters. They get stuck in a cycle of survival, unable to break free and start building something bigger. The bottom line, if you are not treating your free time as a window for financial growth, you are letting distractions rob you of your potential. In this video, I am not offering a quick fix solution or a get-rich-quick scheme. I am giving you psychological tools to help you master your focus, eliminate distractions, and align your energy with financial abundance. In the end, I will guide you through my Archery Meditation to raise vibrations for financial abundance, designed to help you unlock that potential. This isn't about wishful thinking. It is about a practical approach to align your mindset with the wealth you deserve. I get it. You are busy, you are overwhelmed, and the distractions are endless. But let me ask you this. How often do you actually focus on your financial goals without getting pulled in a million directions? Distractions are draining your energy. And until you take control of your focus, nothing will change. Are you ready to make that shift? As I said, making money is a skill, just like learning to play an instrument or mastering a new language. But if you are constantly distracted, your energy is scattered. I've been there myself. There was a time in my life when I was completely broke. I'm not talking about just feeling a bit financially strained. I mean, I didn't even have money for basic things like proper meals or public transportation. I remember the days when I had to walk because I couldn't afford the bus fare. It wasn't just about the money. It felt like I was losing control of my life. Every small financial decision became a source of stress. But here's the thing. I realized that it wasn't just about the money. The real problem was how I was thinking about it. My relationship with money was broken. I had to rewire my mindset to stop seeing money as something elusive or something only other people could achieve. I had to learn to focus, to stop letting distractions, scarcity, and worry dominate my thoughts. That's when everything started to shift. I stopped focusing on what I didn't have and started focusing on building skills that would actually bring value into my life. Slowly but surely, I began to see opportunities where before there was only stress. I became intentional about where I directed my energy and attention, and that focus brought me out of financial despair. And here's the thing, it is not about working harder. It is about aligning your focus, thoughts, and energy with what you want. Today, I'm in a place where I'm financially secure, where I can focus on what I truly love, creating content that gives meaning to my life and helping others do the same. I am able to dedicate my time, resources, and energy to things that matter to me because I worked on aligning my focus and energy with financial abundance. It didn't happen overnight, but aligning my focus with the money energy was the first step. And that's the key, aligning your focus. You see, most people are held back by their scattered thoughts and distractions. But once you align your focus, you will start seeing real changes in your financial situation, just like I did. Now let's dig a little deeper into how you can make that happen for yourself too. Before we dig deeper, have you experienced a moment where a change in your mindset helped you make progress? I would love to hear your story. Let me know in the comments. If you spend all your time worrying about what you don't have, you are going to stay stuck in that place. But when you learn how to direct your focus, things start to shift. It is backed by psychology. The reticular activating system, RAS for short, in your brain helps filter out distractions and zero in on opportunities when trained correctly. You must stop focusing and worrying about what you don't have and focus on the skills and opportunities that bring you financial abundance. When was the last time you felt completely focused on your financial goals, without distractions pulling you off course? If you are constantly thinking about what's wrong, you will never see what's possible. Drop a comment and share one thing that's been holding you back. Now, you see, the other thing that I would like to touch upon in this video is ancient wisdom. Ancient wisdom from across cultures has always told us the same thing. Energy follows focus. Whether it is through meditation, prayer, or intentional action, the principle remains. Wherever your attention goes, your energy flows. This is the foundation of the law of attraction. The energy you project is the energy you attract. If you focus on scarcity, you will keep attracting more of it. But here's where it gets practical. It is not about thinking happy thoughts. It is about reprogramming your mind to see and act on opportunities. By aligning your focus and energy with abundance, you open yourself up to financial growth. It is more than just a mindset. It is a shift in how you approach life. What do you believe about money right now? Is it hard to make? Are you worried about losing it? The truth is, until you shift your focus and raise your vibration, you will keep getting the same results. Drop a comment with one belief about money you are ready to change. When I was struggling financially, I realized that Cutting out distractions created a vacuum. But if I didn't fill that space with something meaningful, I would fall back into the same habits. So I focused on filling that vacuum with new valuable skills and managing my money better. That's how I went from being broke to financially secure. The same principle applies to you. If you don't fill the vacuum left by distractions with actions that move you closer to your financial goals, whether it is learning a new skill or improving your money management, you are going to relapse into old patterns. The key is to replace those distractions with steps that elevate you. What skill are you going to start mastering to improve your financial future? Don't just think about it. Commit to it. Drop it in the comments so we can hold each other accountable. And if you want to understand how to get rid of distractions, to revamp your life and reinvent yourself completely, I suggest you watch my video on this topic. The link is in the description. Now that we have talked about the importance of focus and how distractions can drain your energy, it is time to put this into practice. I am going to guide you through my Archery Meditation to raise vibrations for financial abundance. This exercise will help you sharpen your focus, align your energy with your financial goals, and raise your vibration to attract the wealth you deserve. Before we start, I want you to know that I have created the HATS method to help you transform your negative emotions into power. The session is available free of cost as of now, and the link is in the description. Click the link after the session to access the program. I'm sure it will help you. Now, let's do the exercise to raise your vibrations for financial abundance. Find a safe, comfortable place. Make sure you do not operate machinery or drive while doing this exercise. Close your eyes and imagine this. You are an archer, standing tall with your bow in hand. The air is still, but your focus is razor sharp. You feel the tension in the bowstring as you pull it back. Eyes locked onto the target in the distance. There is no room for distractions, just you, the bow, and the target. You are fully present, aware of every breath, every movement. This is your moment. Your entire being is focused on hitting the target. As you release the arrow, it flies straight, cutting through any noise or distractions in its path. And when it hits the target, the feeling of accomplishment surges through you, filling your body with energy. This is your reward for focus, your prize for staying disciplined. Now, imagine that target represents your financial goals. Whether it is a shining diamond, a heap of gold, or a large check with your name on it. Each step you take toward it, every action you choose, brings you closer. Picture yourself pulling the bowstring back, tension building in your muscles as you aim with precision. Every distraction you release is an arrow flying toward your goal. And when you hit it, a surge of energy flows through you, signaling that you are perfectly aligned with abundance. Now, see the target transform into something that symbolizes wealth. The bow is the action you take daily, and the connection between your eye the bow and the target is your focus. The energy around you becomes a beam of light, moving directly from your eye through the bow to the target. You are no longer separate from your abundance. You are one with it. Visualize yourself in the future. You have hit your financial targets and you are living in abundance. Look around. How does the world feel? You are financially secure, free to dedicate your time to what truly matters. This is your reward for staying aligned, focused, and purposeful. Open your eyes just as soon as you can. Take a deep breath. You have just completed my archery meditation to raise vibrations for financial abundance. Now it is time to put this energy into action. Drop a comment with your financial target and the skill you are going to master to get there. Let's make this happen. And remember, we are launching Foundation X and Meditation X soon. These programs are based on alternative education and teach you the skills traditional education never covered. Skills you need for real-world success. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Let's make this year and all the coming years exciting and financially fulfilling. See you soon. Until next time, take charge.